In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find recycle bin in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. So at first, just swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. After that, scroll all the way down, then go to device care option. From here, go to storage and then scroll down again. That's it. Just tap on recycle bin and here it is. Here you can find your all the recycle bin. You can see my files, gallery, messages, contacts. If you want to clear your messages recycle bin, just tap here, then tap on three dots, then tap on empty, then tap on delete, and it's deleted successfully. And then go back again, then open up gallery, then tap on three dots, then tap on empty, then tap on delete. And your recycle bin has been cleared successfully. And that is how you can find recycle bin in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.